Hi everyone, I'm Julia Henze, an artist, urban sketcher, and art teacher dedicated to guiding you on your creative journey. I'm also the founder of Braid Brush Studio and membership for amateur artists and urban sketchers that will help you experience the joy of play in your artistic process. The botanical adventure has just sprouted in Brave Brush Studio, and what a better way to celebrate summer than with some beautiful florals. I'm so excited about this month's adventure, so I wanted to give you a taste of what to expect. No matter where you are on your sketching journey, this adventure has something for you. Especially if you've been wanting to start sketching outside. If you've been thinking about joining Brave Brushes, this month is a great time to sign up. In this adventure, we'll start with the basics, with each subsequent lesson building on the skills on the previous lesson. Let me show you some of the gorgeous sketches you can create this month. In lesson 1, we start with these beautiful narcissus flowers. We will break our flowers into simple shapes and focus on proportions. Then we'll use watercolor and colored pencils to make a bright sketch that pops because of our effective use of textures and shadows. Here's a sneak peek of a part of this lesson, which is already available to our members. I've sped it up for the sake of this video, but I talk you through the process in the detail in real time, so that you can then easily apply the technique to your own sketches. In lesson 2, you'll draw this loose bouquet of roses. We'll use a gouache illustration technique, but as always, you can use the materials that you have at home. This illustration focuses on utilizing negative space effectively to balance your composition. In lesson 3, we'll turn to these loose florals, which might be my favorite technique from this adventure. It's such a good way to enjoy playing with color and be in the moment. The more relaxed you are, the better it will turn out, although this can take some practice. And in lesson 4, you come with me virtually to these wonderful botanical gardens in Rotterdam. I'm going to show you how I apply some of the techniques from the early lessons to painting on location. You have to paint in a looser, more relaxed way when you are outside, because nature is always changing, but it can be so exhilarating as well. You can paint along with me at home. I think you will love the bright flowers I've chosen to paint. And then your mission is to head outside to a shady spot and sketch some plants from real life. You can go to a local park or paint the pot plant you have at home. And I know some of you are still building up the confidence to sketch outside. And this adventure will give you the skills and the confidence to do so. One of the best things about this adventure is its versatility. You can make sketchbook spreads of flowers you find on your travels, make greeting cards for your loved ones for all sorts of occasions, or even start a nature journal focusing on your own garden. And you'll be doing this as part of our supportive Facebook community. Our members will be there to cheer on your successes and give you advice when you are unsure what to do next. You can also ask me for personalized feedback on your sketches in our live Q&A sessions. And I'll be providing lots of extra reference photos for you to consolidate your learning and refine your technique. Head over to bravebrushes.com to sign up to be a member and start your botanical sketching adventure today. I can't wait to guide you on your sketching journey and see what you create. See you next week at my channel. Happy sketching. Bye bye.